Welcome back. This is Dave Espino, and in today's video, I'd like to cover the question, is passive income a pipe dream? I can tell you categorically passive income is not a pipe dream, but the types of people that think it might be a pipe dream are people who are not familiar with the internet marketing world, what exists out there, and how passive income is very real for many of us. And so let me kind of share what passive income is, and then how you get passive income, and then I'll share with you my favorite way to generate a passive income. So what is passive income? Number one, it's really a situation where you do something once, and then you get paid over and over and over again. So you set up a system where you've got a product offer, and you have a way to drive traffic to that product offer on an ongoing basis. So because that traffic is driven on an ongoing basis, and you have this product for sale on the internet, especially if it's a digital product, then it's hands-free from that point on. That traffic keeps coming, the people keep buying, and everything is automated as much as possible. Now, there are a variety of ways to set this up. There are a lot of ways to set this up. One of the easiest ways to set it up is through a print-on-demand marketplace like Redbubble.com or merchbyamazon.com. In either of these situations, you upload t-shirt designs or other types of designs, and then you get those offered on t-shirts, on mugs, on stickers, on posters, on clocks, all kinds of things that these marketplaces offer them on. And they already have traffic, so they already have people searching out all kinds of different products. When they find your product, they buy it, and you make a royalty, i.e. you make passive income. Okay. Now the Merch by Amazon program is limited only to t-shirts, and recently they added something called pop sockets, which are the little extra things that you can stick on your phone that help you to hold your phone or lift your phone up and that kind of thing. And who knows, they may be coming out with more things down the road, but that's one way to make an ongoing passive income. Another way to make an ongoing passive income is through drop shipping. Okay. I had this situation for a long time where I was selling display cases on eBay, and every time somebody would buy the display case, they would pay me the money via PayPal. I would send that order to my drop shipper, and they would ship out the display case. So that's a form of kind of mild passive income, because all I had to do was send one email, really one payment to the manufacturer, and then they would do the shipping. That's another form of passive income, although not quite as passive. You do have to do a little bit of work once it's set up. Another form of passive income is publishing an ebook on the Kindle marketplace or its counterpart, paperback book, on Amazon. When you do that and people buy your books or your ebooks, you make a royalty, and that's an ongoing passive income. Now, for most people, it's not a great passive income. It doesn't make you a huge amount of money, but there are some people who figured out ways to publish high demand books and even get those books written for them using their account on Kindle and sell a ton of books and make some really good money. But it's not quite as a sure thing as a lot of other things that are out there. If you want to learn the insider secrets to making a massive passive income with online courses, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, I've got a couple of free offers for you. You're going to want to get this download. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's all about the online course business and how not only I'm making a lot of money with it, but a lot of other people are as well. So you're going to get that free download at daveespino.com/free book. And then the other freebie I have for you is a special webinar training that I'm doing all about the online course business, how you can get yourself to 6 figures with an online course business. And I'm not talking about creating 50 or 60 courses like I have. I'm talking about doing it with one comprehensive master class and how you can turn that into a 6, 7, and even 8-figure income. So you're going to want to attend that webinar, especially because I'm giving away all kinds of amazing gifts in the webinar as well. To register for the webinar, just go to daveespino.com/webinar. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar, where I'm going to show you this incredible world that I call the world's most perfect business. My favorite way to make a passive income is online courses. You create an online course about a topic that people want to learn about, they want to get better at, they want to do faster, they want to solve a problem, or they just want to learn something, and you put it in front of that target traffic audience, and you start selling that course, and it starts making you an ongoing passive income. So that's where the bulk of my income comes from, is online courses. I love the online course business. I call it the world's most perfect business, and I even wrote a book about that, which you can get down below this video. So if you'd like to learn more about online courses, if you like the idea of passive income, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll be notified every time we come out with a brand new video.